Alright, so we got to transplant a lot of plants because since this COVID-19 has been part of our lives, we put a lot of time into gardening. Here's our garden. Actually, a lot of these little guys have to go into bigger pots, like those guys over there. And this guy here. They're doing very, very well, actually. And then we have heirloom tomatoes going here. We have pumpkins, mini pumpkins, and string beans. And then we have this decorative thing going on right here. And this is one of the reasons why we garden. What do you like about gardening?
I like that when the flowers grow, they look really cool.
What do you like about planting?
Oh, it's really fun, and I like getting messy and playing with dirt.
With the what?
Dirt.
I gotta say, being outside is really hot, but being locked inside during the winter is just welcoming. You know, I prefer sunlight, sunburns, all that over winter. Scooping snow, sliding all over the place, bundling up, running out of oil. That's my favorite part. It's when you run out of oil. Whew. Do it again. Yeah, in 2020 it's really difficult because, you know, we have social distancing. You know, COVID-19 is a real thing. My wife's a nurse. She actually used to come home just crying every day. And it wasn't just because of, you know, being put in the trauma center and she's in ICU. She was, from the beginning, put in with COVID patients, and she would come home crying, and the reason why is because a lot of them had died. Their patient died. She is one of those kind of people that really cares about what she does. And then one time she came home crying, like just bawling, because one made it and he was released. It was a big change. So social distancing is really it's a real thing, guys. Please do it. I can't tell you, if you think you're immune to it, it's not a cold, it's not a flu, it's a lot more. Until we can get a vaccine for this, you know, keep up the pace. Don't put it down. Don't forget. So in the meantime, the world is getting prettier. We're decorating it more with our plants. We're becoming more grounded. And it's becoming, in a way, a much better place. Get a shovel in here. See? So you gotta incorporate the, you know, mix the dirt up real good. And then, here, walk over here. Over there. And I'll put them in there. So,
Right in there.
comes the first batch.
Pour it all in.
Yeah, I don't want to just dump it in there because it's probably going to
Overflow?
Well, no, probably damage it. Fruit's going to be coming, and A little tomato trick is when you see these guys in the middle, you pluck those off. I saw another one around here somewhere. Oh, here's a couple of tomatoes. I saw another one. This one's a good one. It's a good plant. Very strong. See the little guys. I'm going to take those guys out. Produces more fruit. Oh, here he was. Oh, here he goes. It's right there. That guy. Gotta get rid of him. So we can get more fruit. I guess this video relates to a lot of things in 2020. It's not only the learning process for the children, the grounding process for the adults, but I think that's what we're doing. We're growing, we're rebuilding, rethinking, and we're growing. Thanks for watching.